Happy Friday, everyone. Fuljens here with Building Blocks, and today we're going to show you how to use custom fonts with Ecamm Live. First thing we're going to do is find our font book. Let's do a spotlight search for font book. And let's pull up our font book. This is where you're going to install, manage, and preview your fonts, and also organize your fonts into collections and libraries. For example, I have a few collections here, including a Building Blocks collection where I have 86 custom fonts. For this demo, we're going to be using thefont.com. Thefont.com has over 70,000 custom fonts that are free for personal use. Since we're in the spirit of Vlogmas, let's check out some ornament fonts. So we're going to go in the search bar and search for ornaments. You have some traditional Christmas style ornaments here. Oh, check this out. You have this font called Ornament Mix by Greg Medina. Let's check that out. And once you click on a particular font, you'll get some fine print that a license is required for any commercial or promotional use. And you also have a font map where you see which designs are allocated to which keys. They have some mustaches here. This is pretty cool. So let's try this out. Let's download this one. So we're going to click on download. After I finish downloading a font, I like to transfer it to a file where I have all of my fonts organized before I install it into the Mac. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to unzip Ornament Mix, and we're going to take this folder and drag it into this Building Blocks FH folder. So now that I have that here, going to open up the folder, and you'll have two files in this one. One will be your Ornament Mix TTF file. This is going to be your custom fonts, and you'll have your terms of use and user license agreement with all the lovely fine print from the developer. We're going to take Ornament Mix and we're going to drag and drop into the Building Blocks FH font collection. And once I do this, the Mac is going to verify whether the font is cleared for use. So it's installing font and no errors. And just like that, Ornament Mix is now a font. If we go back to our text overlay panel, we can do a search under Building Blocks FH and find Ornament Mix. Boom. And if we go back to thefont.com, we can refer to the keyboard mapping here. Ornament Mix is pretty cool. There's tons of variety in here. And let's see if we could use the mustache. There were about like 3 or 4 mustaches here. And I like the letter N. Let's use this one here. Type the letter N. Let's make that black. And let's throw that up on our emoji here. If you're familiar with the Vlogmas overlays designed by Martin McKenna, the font is actually available for free at thefont.com, and that font is called Welcome Christmas. So let's create the Vlogmas logo using the Welcome Christmas font. How cool is that? I also came across this pretty cool font called Header Ornament by Greg Medina. Greg Medina's on a roll, and was drawn to this one in particular, the skyline, and that is mapped to the letter U. So if we go back to our Vlogmas scene here and search for header ornament, which I already have installed in my Building Blocks FH font collection. There you have it. And we're going to select the letter U, and that awesome city skyline pops up. And what we can do is, let's type the letter U a few times and see if we can create some type of background. Haha, that's pretty cool. Our city skyline is not complete without clouds, so let's throw some clouds up in the sky. We have this free font from thefont.com called Cloud Home, so let's use that. I'm gonna type building blocks, but we're gonna space out each letter to space out the clouds. All right. Also, if we want to, we can actually assign a scrolling ticker to this. Let's see how that works. And let's slow it down a bit. That's pretty cool. So there you have it. We're using 3 custom fonts, all available for free for personal use at thefont.com. We have Cloud Home as our scrolling ticker, clouds. We have header ornament as our city skyline. And we have Welcome Christmas font for the Vlogmas overlay as seen in the wireframe designs by Martin McKenna. With custom fonts, you can create cool scenes like this and also add a dash of snow since we're in the season of Vlogmas. Hope you enjoyed this video. Anna and I will be back live next Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Ecamm Network News, and Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for another edition of Building Blocks. Until then, we miss you guys. See you in the next one. Stay safe.